Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. Today we'll be covering a collaboration done with Hidden New York and the ASICS team. These are the Gel DS Trainer 14s and the Dawn colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome on in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we're going to be talking about a collaboration done with Hidden New York and ASICS on the Gel DS Trainer 14s and the Dawn colorway. We'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this classy looking sneaker. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. For those of you who know Hidden New York, you probably already know that the predecessor, the ASICS New York variation of this color scheme, was kind of similar. It really honestly went super viral, super trendy when it first was released, and it had a similar kind of colorway to this one. This is definitely a little bit different, but it does share some similarities of using a very similar green color scheme. But this again is called the Dawn. It also released with a black and blue pair, which is the dusk pair. So a little bit different variation. And I'll kind of talk about some of the key differences on this specific color blocking. As far as the upper goes, it's kind of cool. So it looks like it's white, but when it hits the light, it's kind of this minty green finish on the upper of the toe box here. Then we've got this patent leather and metallic silver with some nice just green accents, which I think complement with the silver wonderfully. Then we've got white laces, though you do get a second pair of laces. These laces are quite interesting. This is a different texture. I'm actually gonna pull this out, but they look plastic and they actually feel plastic to the touch. But it does have a nice kind of metallic-y hue to it when it hits the light. I'd be interested to see how easy it is to tie the laces on these, but this is definitely a rough textured lace. I haven't really had this texture of a lace before. So my pair is laced up with the white laces, and similar to the dusk pair, this one also has the different moon settings here from the different size ranges, which is pretty cool in this green tone and finish on the pull tab. Then we've got that nice branding and logo here for Hidden New York in green as well. As far as the eyelets go, this is nicely colored in that metallic silver, which makes it really shiny and makes it really pop. All right, so let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side panels. So wrapping around to the side panels, we've got some nice highlights of that metallic silver outlining that nice potent green tone. Underneath, we've got the honeycomb design in white and that kind of minty green take. And then as we wrap around, more green kind of tealish hues. Then we've got the DS Trainer logo in green here. One of the key differences is the moon waning here. It's a little hard to see unless you're moving it in the light, whereas on the dust pair, you can actually just kind of see it. But this one is a little different. You definitely need to hold it in the light to kind of see the moons pop out on that pull tab. Then we've got the Hidden New York branding here in green, same color combination as the medial side, except as you can kind of see in between the lines here, it's got this distressed look of almost like it's been painted on here, but it's in a lighter shade of green with some kind of teal color schemes. Then the interior has a cool green tone and effect to it with ASICS branding on the inside. When we work our way down to the midsole, it's all green with different shades on the back here, this nice jelly texture. And then as far as the outsole goes, we've got this kind of transparent color scheme where you can see green underneath, and then the rest of the sneaker is fully covered in green for the rest of the outsole. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details, then jump into size and fit. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I would say stick true to size, and these fit me to a T, though I do have higher to narrow feet. If you have a flatter, wider feet, ASICS do tend to run on the more narrow side, specifically this silhouette. So definitely consider sizing half a size up if you have very, very wide feet. All right, so now let's talk about styling. I do love this color combination. I honestly really was kind of bummed that I didn't go for the original pair that released in that white and green finish. So I was really excited to be able to cop a pair of these. For the first look, I kept it pretty simple with a Fear of God sweatpants suit in all gray and black.
Done with the waters, done with some action, but strangled by my doubts for too long, that's for sure. Made myself up off the floor, I ain't listening no more. I'm turning it out, static, that's all I'm hearing from you now. Tragic, how long I let you chew me out, whispering lies in my ears. Subliminal, critical, criminal. You will never be enough, no. You ain't nothing but a sideshow. What made you believe that you would be the type of destiny to level up? Whoa. Solution, delusion, delusion.
For the second look, I wore a blue denim button down with some nice simple cream pants.
You're fooling yourself in the first hope. And around and around and around they go. All the lies still think they're true, but it's way past time that I shut them down. Gotta do what I gotta do. Tuning it out, all of that yeah, been just a distraction. Tuning it out, done with the waters, done with some action, but strangled by my doubts for too long.
And then for the last and final look, I wore a light denim carpenter jacket with some baggy light denim pants.
Above the floor, I ain't listening no more. I'm turning it out.
Let's go. Why are you spreading those lies? Right here, no, that doesn't fly. All of that yapping is just a distraction. It look like the seed in disguise. You and I fooling the wise. You just been fueling the fire. Spinning the narrative, it's so imperative. The people open their eyes, and now that they open, no, we won't be ruled by you or do all of the nonsense we do by you. No, we not your pawns and we not your prey. No, you won't keep truth hidden in the cage or gas like the masses that cover your tractions that act like you.
right, so as far as resale goes, these retailed at $180, and these are actually going below retail. So depending on your size, you can probably actually get these for a really good deal right now. So be sure to check that resale market to see if you can snag a pair for a lot less of a price range than $180. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and reviews. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you on the next one.